Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to delete Facebook account on iPhone. So to start, open the Facebook app and tap your profile. Next, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Next, select Settings. Next, at the top, select Account Center. So once you're here, scroll down and select Manage Accounts. Next, select the account you want to manage or delete. Then click Manage. Next, select Deactivation or Deletion. Next, choose deactivate or delete account. So select delete and click continue. So provide a reason why you want to delete your account. So choose one, click continue, then scroll down and select continue. Then enter your password to confirm. Click continue and click delete account to confirm your action. So once you schedule your account for deletion, you have 30 days to cancel the deletion. So after that, the deletion process will begin and you won't be able to retrieve any of the content or information you have added. So you can cancel the permanent deletion process at any time before the process starts through Account Center or by logging into your Facebook account with your email or phone and password. So before deleting, you may want to download a copy of your photos, videos, and other Facebook data. And that's it. Thank you for watching.